Ford Fiesta 1 litre Ecoboost, and it's 62 plate. It's got 60,000 miles. It's a 5-door. It's a Zetec model as well, I think. And it's in a kind of a metallic blush red, which is kind of in between like metallic red and like some tinge of pink, I would have thought. This one's a category N from the insurance company. You see it's nice and straight down that side. Showing you the good bits first. The wheels are okay. A few curb marks on that one. It's a little bit gnarled on that side. It could do with a bit of refurb. It's nice and clean. And on the back, no damage. Or the top. And down the sides, nice and clean. Quick look inside while we're doing it. It's pretty respectable in there. You get a bit of a valet, but it's pretty clean. And we've got electric windows, electric mirrors, steering wheel controls, aircon. It's got USB down there and an auxiliary. It's got a telephone kit, a few goodies on there, and a heated front windscreen as well. Alright, and here's your damage around here. So it's mashed the wing, it's broken that bunker there. You can see down there it has broken that splash guard as well, and it's made a couple of little kind of cosmetics. There's a little dishy mark there and just there as well, but pretty not much nothing. Open the bonnet, it's already open. Get my fingers in the right place. There we go. It has not damaged the headlight, which is quite nice. Not too expensive anyway, but relatively clean in there. No damage obviously on that leg. So we've got a bumper which will be supplied and fitted, a wing which will be supplied and fitted, and then paint the bumper, paint the wing, paint the door, and it's going to be back on the road exactly as it was before, pretty much, apart from those bits repaired. And I think these typically retail for around the 6.5. I'm guessing this one's going to be 4.5. Good saving. It's only category N for non-structural, so it's going to be yeah, enough saving for a decent little car.